We'll guide you through how to fix the microphone auto adjusting the volume in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be an annoying problem when the microphone auto adjusts the volume because then you can be sounding too loud or too quiet. So we'll guide you through how you can go about fixing this. To get started, go to the bottom right and you can right click on the sound icon like so, and you want to go and press sound settings. Now you need to go and scroll down like this and you can go and press more sound settings and you'll get this pop up. In here, you need to go and press recording at the top and you can scroll down and go and find your microphone. Double click on it and then at the top, you want to go and press advanced. You want to make sure you unselect allow applications to take exclusive control and you can then press apply and press OK. Next, it can be something to do with Steam. So you want to press search at the bottom and go and type in Steam like so. Now go and press Steam in the top left and press settings. Go to the left and scroll down and find voice, and then you need to go and scroll to the bottom and press show to the right of advanced settings. Unselect automatic volume/control gain because Steam can go and adjust this and it'll adjust it across your computer. So go and see if that then goes and solves the problem. And what you should do is come back here to your microphone, come back to levels and make sure it's set at what you want it to be, press apply, press OK, and that's it.